In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background in Clipchamp using the best method. Let's dive right in and transform your videos with ease. To start, you'll want to open Clipchamp. You can do this by going to clipchamp.com in your web browser, which is accessible from any device with internet connectivity. If you prefer, you can also find Clipchamp as an application in your Microsoft App Store on your computer. Once you've located Clipchamp, you'll need to sign in. You'll be greeted with a login prompt, and here you have an option to click on Continue with Microsoft. This step makes your login process straightforward, especially if you already use Microsoft services frequently. Choose your Microsoft account and you'll be logged into Clipchamp, ready to start editing. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the Clipchamp homepage. On the home screen, you'll see various options, including the one to create a new video project. Click on Create a New Video. This is where the fun begins, as you'll be launching into the editor dashboard, ready to bring your creative vision to life. In the editor, you'll start by clicking on Import Media. This allows you to bring in the video file you'd like to edit. You can either click directly to open your file explorer, or drag the video file straight from your desktop onto the timeline. This feature supports a wide range of video formats, making it flexible for your video editing needs. Now let's move on to the background removal process. Go to the effects section in the menu. Once you're there, look for the green screen effect. This tool is instrumental in helping remove or replace backgrounds in your video. By applying this effect, you make way for a new backdrop. Next, head over to the content library. This is a fantastic resource within Clipchamp that offers a variety of background images and videos you can use. Browse through the collection and select a background that complements your video. Whether you're aiming for something simple or a more dynamic setting, there's a range of options to choose from. After selecting a background, drag it onto your timeline, placing it just below your video clip. This ensures that it serves as the background layer. Make sure everything is aligned and fits perfectly with your video. Then take a moment to wait as your selected background imports and integrates into your video. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed and replaced the background in your video using Clipchamp. This method not only enhances your video editing capabilities, but also offers a creative way to customize your content visually. Practice these steps a few times, and soon you'll be a pro at transforming your video